Naende kalivu Nthini wa vilingi wa mavuto ambisi na mavuo makoneti ya uteti Mutongoi wa ulei Raila Odinga easya kuma musumbe Dr. William Ruto oselela utongoi matuku 13 mweini wake nda mwakani wa nkilili miongwele na ile nthi ya Kenya ni Avalukitye na atoite nthi ya Kenya na kiuka mithenya mivuthu itina wa ukunikili wa Infotrak kwonany'a kana kilungu cha miongo 5 na itatu yulua yana cha Akenya kiona kana kiuka nthi ya Kenya yiendete bathuku erasas nzomo ni watomba nisenge weno.
Na ni dalili nzuri kwamba anakuwa mjeshi mkuu wa jeshi la ulinzi wa Kenya.
Mwaka umwe itina wa Dr. William Ruto kuoselela uteleva wa nthi ita president enendi na ndongo isya kiuteti ni maende kwikia kithimini utongoi wake mwaka usu umwe.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mutongoi wao imituki ni ndongo ya azimio Raila Odinga na ule wawetakana President Ruto nuvalukitye enendi banene mwakani usu umwe nondo siendo ila wathanite takutheya kwa ngalama ya mikalile ila yeyulu ndaisa kuyanisya na bandu bake yikite kung'aiya muno na mwene nthi kuvinyika.
They can say whatever they want to say, but on the issue of cost of living, they have completely failed. They've failed Kenyans terribly because they came into government on the promise of reducing the cost of living. That was supposed to be their primary agenda. But basically, consciously, they have increased the cost of living. I think they've doubled it, if not tripled it. And they seem to be going on by increasing more taxes right now. I don't know who their advisors are, but I think that they've failed the people of Kenya very badly.
Ona uyo vo Odinga ni wasyakana mota azimio ni mionenga nilivotio wa thanthatu ukite kukonya utongoi wa Ruto mwaka umwe ofisini indi asyakana onakula sya mawoni sionania aende nai.
Then on other very key sectors like health, like education, like agriculture, our team was analyzed the performance generally, and we are going to give our own scorecard within the next 48 hours. From even the opinion polls that have been carried out, people basically have given this regime, I think, grade D in terms of performance.
Ainena naandiki mama uvo musini wa ilovi Mutongoi uo wa chama cha ODM ni wawetakana ukava wa serikali numeleti ngava ingeta mbunge na koti aiweta mivea isu ili yeka kila ukava wa serikali ukwenda.
On the issues of governance, the same way they have actually failed the people of Kenya. They have eroded independent of institutions of governance. Now there is no clear distinction between the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary.
Raila ingeni wavothisya vanene wandika ni serikali ni aiweta kana andiki ateni kama andiki ateti alama avalukile usakwani ni muvitu na keu ni kindu kitailite.
Where I have issue is appointment of principal secretaries. The principal secretaries are civil servants, and civil servants should be non-political. They should be professional people who do their jobs professionally without meddling into politics. But a situation where former members of parliament are being appointed as permanent secretaries, as it were, political activists, failures, people who had already resigned to go and run for political offices and who failed, being again reappointed into public service, particularly civil service, in my view, is a very misguided decision.
Maunduni meokonia kula sya usumbe mwaka muvitu Odinga ni wathingirila kana Ruto ni wang'enye kula bala wawetakana wendesa kuyetikila kung'ea kula ni kenda alike utongoini.
I don't believe in stealing. I believe in fair play, so that if you are going into a contest with you, if you beat me, I will congratulate you, and if I beat you, you should just do the same. So that's why I don't come up with methods to rig so that I'm declared the winner. And that's how not to do it. Because next time around, somebody will be able to steal better, and then he will be declared the winner. So what we want is to see that we go into a contest, and may the best person win. And that's what we're talking about, creating a truly level playing field. And I say that Mr. Chebukati belongs to prison. What is done twice in this country is disgraceful. And history, in my view, should judge him very harshly.
Ndilivotia vilingi wa Mauvo, Mutongoi TV, Nito Erastus Kithuku, Wanzomo.